Are you ready to save a file? Up, up, down, down, left, right, and F to save. Let's open up a dialog. We're going to call it 512.png save. Yes, I do want to replace it. And now let's go open that up. Let's go File, and let's go Open. And, oh no, let's go. It's already in my history. Let's go right here. Open it up. Oh, well, that's a text file. That's not quite right yet. It's not. We're going to work on it, but let's go over what we changed so far in 396 Delta. In the Filemob constant section, the number of steps for the save box disk task is now 7. In our reentrant function for saving to disk, we have added 2 members to the domain object element, the anchor. So this is our anchor. We've added a href and download member. So here's our href, and here's our download member. I don't know if they both need to be 512.png. I don't know if the file names need to match here. I'm just kind of working off of a tutorial. So first priority is working code. We can try to understand it later after we get into trouble. We have reordered some task numbers. So copy pixels into MP0 is task index 1. Creating a PNG file, task index 2. Task index 3 is the open save file dialog. This was not opening a dialog before, but now that we have defined these 2 properties or members, whatever you want to call them, now that we've done that, it does open a dialog for us. Select folder spin lock, right? We want to spin lock here and wait for the user to choose where to save the file. And then, I don't know if this makes any sense anymore. Initiate, save, download. Like, this step probably is complete nonsense. And then here's our free spot right here. We changed this message. This was originally a yell. It's now a message, so it's not going to be as obnoxious. And I think that's it for this section of code. Let's go down to our footnotes. So here's what we did previously. Here's some footnotes. Here's some other footnotes. And here's what we did in this video. If you want to read those footnotes, you'll have to check out the code here. You are here. If you want a longer explanation, go here. Source code's here. Email me here. Like, subscribe, send money.